As a marketer, you know how important it is to ensure your emails to get delivered to your subscribers' inboxes. But with so many factors affecting email deliverability, staying on top of the latest trends is critical. In this video, we will explore some of the emerging trends in email deliverability, including the impact of artificial intelligence and machine learning on email marketing. One of the biggest challenges facing email marketers today is the ever-changing landscape of email deliverability. With spam filters becoming more sophisticated and email providers cracking down on unwanted emails, it's essential to stay ahead of the curve. Enter artificial intelligence and machine learning. These technologies are helping email marketers improve their deliverability rates by analyzing data and identifying patterns that can help them avoid spam filters. For example, AI-powered email deliverability tools can analyze your email content, subject lines, and sender reputation to identify potential issues that could impact your deliverability rates. Additionally, machine learning algorithms can help you segment your email list based on user behavior and preferences, allowing you to deliver more targeted and personalized content to your subscribers. Another emerging trend in email deliverability is the use of engagement metrics to improve deliverability rates. By tracking metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and spam complaints, email marketers can identify subscribers who are disengaged and adjust their email campaigns accordingly. For example, if you notice that a particular segment of your email list has a slow open rate, you can experiment with different subject lines or send times to see if you can improve engagement. In conclusion, as the email marketing landscape continues to evolve, it's essential to stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies. By leveraging artificial intelligence and machine learning, as well as tracking engagement metrics, email marketers can improve their deliverability rates and ensure their emails reach their intended audience.